happy third day of Christmas. So today I wanted to shop my stash for an inspired New Year's Eve look. And this is like the close-up of what I did. I used the Revolution Patricia Bright palette. I believe this one's called Rich and Life. And then I also used a highlighter and a lipstick from Colourpop. So I hope you enjoy this quick tutorial, and I hope you've been doing really well and keeping healthy so far. And with all that said, I'll start the video right now. So the third day of Christmas, it's the 3 French hens, and there's 3 facts that is that is taken from here. The first one is 3 French hens were beautiful and costly birds in those times. They represent faith, hope, and charity, which can be given by God alone. The second fact, they represent the 3 persons of the Blessed Trinity, the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. And the third fact is it represents the 3 days Christ spent in the tomb before he resurrected. So those are the facts, and I love that this information is pretty simple to be aware of, but as a Catholic, but someone who's not, it could be really interesting to know what the Blessed Trinity is, and if you go from there, it leads to more things. From what I know about the Blessed Trinity is that it is given in Pentecost Sunday, and that's after, I believe, the celebration of the Easter liturgy celebration. We celebrate it for such a long time after Easter Day, and the last day where we celebrate the conclusion of Easter is on Pentecost Sunday, and that's where the Blessed Trinity is given to us by Jesus. So today I wanted to do a simple get ready with me, shopping my stash kind of thing. And today I will be using this Revolution palette I never used before. This is Patricia Bright, the collaboration, and it's the one called Rich and Life. Personally, I did not purchase this palette. It was given as a freebie in one of my Poshmark orders, and it looks like this. It's been used by the other person, so I disinfected it, and this is what it looks like. It's super pretty. So I want to go with a New Year's Eve inspired look, and I'll go ahead and take the shade called Biggest Fan, and I'll put that in my crease, and I'll use my Sigma E40. Okay, so now I'm going to take the shade, okay, so now I'm going to be taking the shade called Angel right here. It's like a white matte shade, and I'll take the same brush and I put that under my brow bone. Okay, so now I'll take the shade called Irreplaceable, which is this one right here. And I'll put that in my outer crease shade. And I am using my Sigma E25. Okay, so now I will blend with this BH brush. It's number 4. Okay, so a shimmer shade all over the lid. I want to take the shade called Darlings. It'll be this one right here. And I'll take my BH number 7 brush. It's a little blue from using blue shadow the other day, but it is clean. I am going to dip my brush as well. Okay, so for my inner corner, I'm going to be taking a shade called Diamonds for Breakfast. And this shade right here. And I'll put that for my inner corner. And I'll take my Morphe JH39 brush. I'll also damp it. I will also damp the shade so it's metallic. Okay, so now I am done using this palette. I do want to put a highlighter on my face, and I want to use this L.A Colors highlighter in the shade called Glow Time. And then it looks like this. And I'll be taking my E.L.F highlighting brush. So one of the last things I'll be doing is putting on a lipstick, and this is from Colourpop. It's their Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in a shade called Creeper. Really bright red. Now usually what I do with these kind of bold colors, I just take a little bit on my finger and then I just slowly apply it on my lips. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'll do a close-up. Now, from playing with the palette, I feel like the shimmers are... I'm gonna say the one that I used for my inner corner was a bit flaky, which is not my favorite type of shimmer, but I feel like it would be perfect for an all-over lid shade. Everything else I did love. I love the lipstick. It's not completely bold for me to wear this kind of shade on me. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. May God bless always. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your day or night. And I hope to see you on the 4th day of Christmas. So until then, bye for now.